The POS is the counter app where you take orders, accept payment, and print receipts. It's the first stop in every order's journey through your shop. From the POS, orders flow through the station's app for the wash, dry, fold, and pack steps. To set up a POS device, navigate to Operations, then Devices. Click POS links to see your store codes. Each store has a unique 6-character code and a QR code you can share with employees. On an Android tablet or phone, install the LaundryVerse POS app from the Play Store. That's the recommended path. On iPad, open LaundryVerse.app/pose in Safari, then tap Share and Add to Home Screen for the same full-screen experience. On any other browser, just open LaundryVerse.app/pose directly. Chrome can also install it as a full-screen app from the 3-dot menu. Open the app, then enter the 6-character store code from the dashboard. Tap Continue to connect the device to your store. Scanning the store code QR with the phone camera also works. On Android, with the app installed, it opens the app directly. Enter the employee's 4-digit PIN on the keypad. The device logs in automatically after the 4th digit. After logging in, open a shift by entering the starting cash in the drawer. Tap Open Shift to begin. You'll land on the order board, ready to take orders for the day. Your device is now registered and visible in the Devices table on the dashboard. From here, your team can take orders, manage open tickets, and close out shifts at the end of the day.